When it comes to survival, one of the most critical components is food storage. Being prepared with the right supplies can make all the difference in a crisis. In this video, we'll dive into a 4-week prepper food storage plan that's designed to help you build a reliable stockpile. Start by focusing on the basics. Stock up on canned goods, grains, and legumes. These are your foundational foods that provide necessary calories and nutrients. Don't forget about water storage. Aim for at least 1 gallon per person per day. Also, consider items like cooking oil, salt, and spices to ensure your meals are not only nutritious but also palatable. Diversify your canned goods by including a variety of flavors and types. Include canned fruits, which offer natural sugars and can boost morale. Grains should be stored in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers to maximize shelf life. When storing water, consider purchasing water purification tablets or a filtration system as a backup plan. Move on to proteins and fats. Canned meats, nut butters, and freeze-dried options are great sources of protein. Fats are essential, so include items like olive oil and coconut oil. Remember, variety is key. Diversify your storage to avoid food fatigue and ensure a well-rounded diet. Don't just rely on one type of protein. Variety is crucial to avoid diet fatigue. Explore plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas, which can be sprouted to increase nutritional value. For fats, coconut oil is particularly versatile. It can be used in cooking, as a skin moisturizer, or even as a fuel source. This week, focus on supplements and additional nutrition. Vitamins, minerals, and essential oils can help fill in any nutritional gaps in your diet. Think about adding powdered milk, shelf-stable cheese, and other dairy alternatives. It's also a good time to assess your inventory and rotate your stock, using older items first. Consider adding superfoods like spirulina or chlorella, which are nutrient-dense and have long shelf lives. Herbal teas and natural remedies should also be part of your stockpile for their calming effects and medicinal properties. Don't forget about fermented foods like sauerkraut or kimchi. They offer probiotics that are crucial for gut health. Finally, consider comfort foods and luxury items. These aren't essential for survival, but can boost morale in tough times. Things like coffee, tea, chocolate, and snacks can be a big morale booster. Additionally, explore alternative cooking methods, like solar ovens or camp stoves, to ensure you can prepare meals even without power. Consider the shelf life of your comfort items and prioritize those with long-term stability. Honey, for example, can last indefinitely, while chocolate has a shorter shelf life. Rotate your luxury items more frequently to ensure they remain fresh. Invest in bulk spices and vacuum seal them to preserve their potency. Explore the idea of home canning, which allows you to preserve foods like meats, vegetables, and fruits for years. Prepping isn't just about hoarding food. It's about building a sustainable and balanced food storage plan that can sustain you through any situation. By following this 4-week plan, you'll have a solid foundation to keep you and your family safe and nourished in uncertain times.